So the family wanted pizza night. So what did we get? No, how about some homemade or semi-homemade pizza, like my favorites you see here. So let's get started. For my pizza, I like some sauteed sausage. Here's some Johnsonville sausage that I just go ahead and saute up in a pan. Get them all nice and brown and ready to put on the pizza, as well as some lightly sauteed red onions. Love those on pizza. We'll have it on every pizza if I'm given the opportunity. And here's Patricia rolling out the pizza dough. Sometimes we make our own, but tonight it's fast and easy pizza night with the family, so we're just using Pillsbury pizza crust dough out of the tube. It's fast, it's easy, and it makes for a fast pizza night, which is what we're trying to do. Now once the dough is all rolled out, we put it on pizza screens, which I love. I'll put a link of the pizza screens in the description below so you know where to get them. It makes it really easy to make the pizzas, create them, and then go ahead and we can then put them on the stone. Of course, before that, we want to go ahead and put the sauce on. This is something you can do with the family. The kids love to make their own pizzas. And Jonathan here is supervising. He's got his cheese on, helping put the cheese on so he's intact, but you should probably wash your hands before you're going ahead and touching your pizza. It's his pizza, it's his hands, so I think he can deal with it. And off it goes. Tonight we're using the Cuisinart pizza maker. It's electric, it has a nice stone. We preheat it for about 30 minutes. The settings are real simple for this one. All you have to do is turn it on. And we always use the high or thin crust settings for our pizzas. That seems to be the best results for us. And now here's Matthew making his pizza, which is a little bit unique because it's going to have some salami, some of the sauteed sausage we did. Of course, every bit has to be in its perfect place. And what you find missing is no cheese. Matthew doesn't want cheese on his pizza, so he doesn't have to have it. First pieces, just getting ready. After about 4 minutes, you'll be able to slide that pizza screen off and go ahead and begin to cook the bottom of the pizza crust directly on the stone. Each pizza usually takes about 7 minutes, depending upon how hot the stone is, and then it's ready to take out, cool a little bit before cutting. And as you can see, more of an adult pizza here. Patricia's getting her ready. She loves to have tomatoes, the sausage, the cheese. Our cheeseless pizza is ready to come off the pizza screen, so just go ahead and lift that up. Grab some tongs and grab out the screen, put it directly on the stone, and then it'll cook, rotating it every little bit to make sure it is evenly cooked on the bottom. And then once it's ready to cool off on the cutting board before being cut up. So I get my pizza ready with my sausage and sauteed onions on there. We're using Prego pizza sauce. Once again, it's quick and easy pizza night. Sorry for the thumbs up and how lame that is. It'll happen a few more times in the video. And here we have Patricia's ready to go on the stone. And once the pizzas have sat for a little bit and are ready to cut up, we go ahead and cut them up here. The kids like them in their squares, so Patricia's getting those all ready. Looks like her pizza is ready to get off and to cool down for a minute before being cut as well. And finally, my pizza is ready to go on and get cooked, just as Patricia's is ready to go ahead and get cut up and getting ready to be put on the table. Mine's just about done. As you can tell, it is kind of a process of one by one. It'd be easier if you had multiple, but we just have the one, so we make do. And here's my finished product as my favorite pizza, sausage, and red onions gets ready to go. And here's the end results of all of our efforts. A happy family with full bellies and a great pizza night. Thanks for watching, everyone.